art friends, today we are going to draw Abraham Lincoln.
Yeah, as a folding surprise. We hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're going to use a marker to draw with, but you can use a pencil or whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
We're first going to fold our paper. So let's take the top edge, line it up with the bottom edge, and when you have it all lined up, crease it down the middle and out to the corners. Then we're going to take the top flap and fold it up to the top edge and crease it down. There you go. Then let's flip over our paper and repeat that same step. We're going to take this edge and line it up with the top and fold it down. Now, if that part we went too fast, remember you can always pause the video and take extra time. Now, this is just a guide fold, so let's unfold this last one and flatten it out. Then we're going to flip our paper back over. And when we're all done, it should open up like this. Yeah, now we're ready to draw, but first let's put scratch paper underneath our drawing paper. This is just to protect our table. We're using our Art for Kids hub markers, a black marker, and we're using the fine tip to draw with. Let's first draw Abraham Lincoln's nose right in the middle of our paper, but above this fold. So we're going to add a little curve about there. Yes, and then we're going to draw the eyes. I'm going to draw one circle on the left side and the same size circle over here on the right side. Then we're going to draw a smaller circle in the top left of each eye. This is to make the eyes look shiny. Then let's color in the big circle, but leave the little circles white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video, take extra time to color in your eyes. Now let's draw the face. We're going to start here and we're going to draw the letter U, but we'll start above the fold next to the eye. Oh, actually, let's first just draw a straight line down to the fold. So we'll start above the eye and then down, and we'll repeat that same line over here. I'm going to draw it just above the eye on both sides. Then we're going to turn it into the letter U. I'm going to turn my paper sideways. And we're going to connect underneath the fold like this and over to the other side. There you go. You did it. Yeah, now let's draw the same U shape or letter U, but we're going to draw it a little bit bigger. This is for his beard, so we're going to start next to the first part. I'm going to stop right here in the middle. There you go. And then I'm going to come back over here because it's a little easier to start above the fold and then draw it down over it. And then I'm going to connect in the middle. So we have another letter U. It's a little easier than going all the way and then trying to get over the fold on the right side. Yeah, that's Abraham Lincoln's beard. It's just underneath his chin. That looks really cool.
Thank you.
Okay, now let's draw his hat. We're going to draw a line that goes across the top and past on each side. This is his top hat. Nice. Now we can extend this line up to the top of the paper since it was a really tall hat, and we'll stop there. Nice. Now let's draw his ears. I'm going to draw the letter C over here on the left and a backward C on the right side. Now let's also draw his jacket or his body. We're going to start here. We're going to draw two lines on each side. So right below his beard. And then we can also add more details. Let's draw the letter V right here in the middle. And then let's draw an upside down V that's smaller inside. And we can draw the collar coming out to the left and also out to the right. And sometimes he had this, it kind of looked like a bow tie right here. So we'll just draw a little line and we can color in that little shape. This is also his vest. Let's draw his jacket. We're going to draw two more lines straight down. Then let's also draw the side of his jacket, or let's see, the collar, or I think it was called the lapel. Then we're going to draw another sideways V, but connect down to the bottom. And then let's do the same thing over here. A small sideways V, and then a taller one right below it. Nice. Let's also draw his arm. I'm going to draw a line that comes out to the side. And then let's draw another one right below that one. And we can connect the top down to the bottom. And also, let's draw his hand. We're going to draw a letter C right here. And we could draw him holding a flag. So I'm going to draw a line coming out of his hand. And then we could also imagine that going through his hand and coming out the bottom. And let's draw 2 lines coming out to the side. So we can draw one here, and then one that matches right below it. Then we'll connect those two so that we have a rectangle shape. And then here we're going to draw the letter L for a smaller square inside. That's the blue part of the flag. And we're going to color the stripes on later. Let's come back to his face and draw his mouth. I'm going to turn it sideways so it's a little easier. I'm going to draw a line right below the fold going across. And you can also connect if you want on each side. Yeah, and then I'm also going to draw another line on top of the fold. That way when you open it up, you can see a line here below the fold and also above. You did it! Now we're ready to unfold our paper and flatten it out. We should have the top half of Abraham Lincoln up here and the bottom half down here. Let's connect the two together. We're going to start here on the left side, and we're going to draw his face connecting all the way down to the bottom. So we're connecting kind of his mouth too. And then we're going to do that same line on the right side, all the way down. Then let's do the outside of his beard. I'm going to draw the line connecting down to the bottom and over here on the right. Next, let's draw the inside of his mouth. I'm going to draw another line connecting the top down to the bottom. This is for the side of his mouth, and I'm going to draw that same line over here. Then let's draw his teeth. I'm going to draw a short line that comes in on each side. And then we're going to draw an upside down kind of U shape, but it's also square. So I'm going to come up like this, across, and then back down, and trying to keep that same distance all the way around. Yeah. Let's also draw the teeth for the bottom of his mouth. We're going to draw a short line coming in, just like we did on the top, on each side. And then we're going to repeat that inside line, but going down, across, and back up. Now let's draw the lines for his teeth. We'll start up here at the top. We're going to draw a line right down the middle. Then we can draw a line on each side for the 2 front teeth. Then let's also draw another line on each side, if you can fit. There you go. And then let's draw a line going down, maybe 3 of them, or 4, depending on how much room you have. So I'm going to add 3 lines going down on the right side too. Then let's repeat those lines down here at the bottom. We'll do one right in the middle, then on each side. Then let's do another one on the left and also the right. And then we can add 3 more lines going up on each side. Now let's add the tongue. I'm going to draw a big letter U that goes inside of the teeth. Yeah. And then we can draw 2 bumps to connect the top of his tongue. Then we can also draw his throat. Let's draw a small little U right here above the tongue. Then we're going to curve around. We'll start it on the left side, curve around, and then connect to the tongue. And then let's do the same thing on the right side. Curve around and connect to the tongue. We did it! We finished drawing Abraham Lincoln. He looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
You still need to color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward again, so remember to pause the video and take extra time to color in your drawings. You could also add extra things inside of the folding surprise. You just want to make sure that you draw it below the top fold and above the bottom fold. That way when it's folded up, it's completely hidden. All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yes.
Taryn, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring Abraham Lincoln. He turned out awesome, all colored in, but we need to show our friends the inside. You ready? On the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, America!
Happy President's Day!
Oh, I love the stars that we added to the inside, but you could add whatever you want. You could add more flags or even fireworks.
You could also write one of his famous speeches.
Oh yeah, if you could fit it in there, that would take a while.
4 score.
You could also turn this into a puppet. So let's take your paper and we're gonna fold it like this. So both sides are folded, and then you hold the paper like that. And then I'm gonna get a piece of tape, really long piece of tape. I'm gonna put it over top of your fingers and down on the paper, and then flip it over like this. I'm gonna get another piece of tape and we'll put it on top of your thumb. This will make it easier to open and close the mouth. Then when you hold it up like this, you can make Abraham Lincoln talk. And you could also perform one of his speeches. 4 score and 7 years ago.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing Abraham Lincoln.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.